That is why to make the temporary. Otherwise, there's no reason to make temporary. But think about it. I'm trying to train you. After polish, as you see, the polish is beautiful, right? Okay. Just like pour is beautiful aesthetics. You know what I mean? The occlusion, everything. So I got the good symmetry, and I have to match the A3. Doctor said A3. You see some differences. And then I'm going to use the Gradia Composite. Alright, let me show you that. I'm really happy about my aesthetics. It's beautifully done. As you can see, my stain technique, which is A3, which is A plus, I use it. You see? Love it, right? This is color and aesthetic even better than regular ceramic, right? But only thing is issue is here, which is great to make the temporary. As you can see, doctor have to cut it more, just like the really tight. Okay, cut away. So my temporaries make thicker. So we're going to fill it, and same thing here is really tight. You have to cut it, just cut it away. Because my temp a little bit thicker than this, so they can push it. That is why to make the temporary. Otherwise, there's no reason to make temporary. But think about it. I'm trying to train you. We pulled out the tooth, all right? So we're trying to make the, we took it out the tooth. We're trying to make the contour, but this is really deep. So I'm trying to make lines here to make that one, same size. I'm trying to make convex football shape, all right? For hygiene. So whenever they choose my temporization, so not only they make the good emergent profile right now small, so make it a little more expanded like that. So once they have my temporizations, and they will get bigger, and they will stay. After 3-4 months later, gum is like this, and then we have a great opportunity to make the great contour for gingiva. Make sense to you? So this is really imperative in order to make highest aesthetic about complex cases. Let me repeat it. It's very imperative to grinding tissue area. Maybe he doesn't have to grinding because my temporary is a little bit fat. I cannot get down over there. But whenever they push in the mouth, they can go down with the cemented. We're going to get the good positioning about good amount of about the tooth contour. Then after 3 months, they took it out, take the new impression. Then I will get the new scenario, is a bigger and better, and the healing here, and then I make great anatomy.